Alright, so this is weird. Alright, so there's a HID bulb in there. There's one in there. And she's burning. Can't really see it because my lights are so glazed over from the sun. But as you can see, I can turn it off. It's won't real slow. Lights are off. No lights on. And this is what's weird. The ballast is still getting power. It might turn on because it's been off for a little while. But see, look, the light comes back on, and this one stays on. It turns on and off fine. This one's fine. But what's weird is even when this one is off, the light comes on the ballast. So I gotta say it's got to be something between the ballast, because I don't think the bulb's bad. So turn it off. It's usually like, I don't know, a few seconds or whatever. Turn it back on and the light should be out. Yeah, makes no sense. So this one over here, working perfectly fine. So I don't know if it's a combination of the ballast and bulb was just defective. And as you can see, I got power to the ballast, so it's either the ballast or the bulb, and it just hasn't been working right. I don't know.